In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a curved text. Press S and X to scale the cube in the X-axis. Ctrl R to add loop cuts, and let's add 20 loop cuts in total. Create a curve point, and press the 3D button. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an add-on called Add Curve, Extra Objects. Turn off the normal indicator. Extrude the curve point. Select two endpoints, right-click and press S to subdivide. Right-click and S multiple times. Let's move these points up on the Z-axis. Select the sharp points and press V and A to smooth them like this. If we add a curve modifier on the cube, then we can place that mesh on the curve. Let's repeat the process for a text object. We can extrude the text and use any other fonts as well. Let's set up the render scene and apply the materials. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.